Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
I used to have a crush, really bad crush on this guy. He had light eyes and he was just so cute when we were kids. I think I was in class 5 and my crush actually lasted till we were in class 6 and then I changed schools in class 7. But then I ran into him when I started modeling in Delhi at the age of 19 maybe. I don't know what I was thinking. My first ever job, I think, was to dance in one of those, those DD National educational things. I was in class 6. We got 200 rupees and a sari. I was only 11 and we were doing this Rabindra Sangeet dance, which was a lot of fun. It was all in Bangla. So from my first paycheck, what I bought was I used to dance a lot, so jazz shoes where the sole had a nice arch or arc, whatever you call it. My first time on set was, I think when I was still studying, I went to Corbett National Park and Dharma Productions was shooting Kaal over there. I was a tomato in a play when I was a kid, I think when I was 4 or 5. I had a song called Main Tamatar Hoon. It was about our teachers wanted all the kids to eat vegetables because they're so healthy. So I was a tomato because I had really pink cheeks. And I think my co-star was a guy called Robin. My first professional photo shoot I did at the age of 17 somewhere in Delhi. And then I forgot about it because I was trying to make some extra pocket money by doing some, the modeling, and I used to do whatever. But yeah, I think that was my first professional photo shoot. Must have been a kid only because when I was really young, I decided I wanted to be in the performing arts, like music, dance, acting. So I must have been 4 or 5, and I think I used to imitate my dad a lot. I used to draw a French beard and wear glasses. Must have been around then that somebody really complimented me and said, "You're really funny, or you're good at this," and I loved that joy of making people laugh. My first full-blown dance number was a Kathak performance that we did when we were children. There was a contest that happened in Swami Vivekanand College in Anand Vihar in Delhi because our mums used to teach there. Me and these 2 other sisters, we used to dance and we used to learn Kathak. No one knows I'm a trained dancer. There used to be this little competition where we would compete. The different gharanas of Kathak would compete. Lucknow and Jaipur and Gwalior, and we were from the Lucknow gharana. I received a vintage designer handbag from within the family only. I mean, I guess they didn't see the value in it. They were like, "Oh, it's now old, you want it?" I was like, "Yeah." It was a small black Christian Dior bag with a beaded handle. I still use it sometimes. I've gotten it dry cleaned and I use it. We had we used to have the annual Conti party. I don't know why it was called Conti party, but we used to have the Conti party. I think the first time I wore heels, I was in class 10. Oh, I wore a sari when I was really young, I think, in class 4, when I was doing a little play in which I had to play a younger version of Mother Teresa. They were doing like her in different ages, so I was the young Mother Teresa. I was only 10 years old or something. I think when we were kids, Kapil Dev came to our school for our annual sports thing, and I was like, wow, Kapil Dev. I was watching Saudagar, I think, when I was a kid. My parents weren't home, they left me with my grandfather, and I asked him, इनके गाल इतने लाल क्यों हैं? So he said they wear too much makeup. So I thought, oh, even I must have, now I have to have a makeup kit. So I went in, took out my sketch pens and I put like big, वो sketch pen निकाल के उसके अंदर का जो the refill that it's in plastic, it's very dry. I used it to put I made my whole face pink in the cheeks, like 2 round blobs. and I put red on my lips with the sketch pen, and I put black, big black, and I made eyebrows, and it was really funny. I clearly remember that moment. I think in my head I was already an actor, so I was like, oh, I should also have makeup. Why is he saying actresses wear too much makeup? Out with the sketch pens. My first travel experience I remember very clearly, not really travel, but being in nature and being out. We would go for these lovely treks from our school. So I remember we had gone to Sangla Valley and Chitkul in the north. And I was with my best friend Vedika. And we had a really good time. We spent 15 days going uphill. The temperature was low. It used to be in the minus. Once we were camping out, and there was a leopard in the hills, and all night, like, our teachers lit torches and hung around the campsites just to make sure that nobody was attacked. But it was so exciting for us. I wanted to, and I think around the time that this Rahul Roy film had come, Junoon, in which he becomes a tiger. So I started imagining that if he bites somebody, then we'll all become tigers. So I was quite a crazy child. I was born in Amritsar, and then my parents moved because of some conflict. So I don't have a lot of memories because I was only 2 years old. And I revisited that house recently when I was shooting in Punjab. Yeah, it was quite something. I think I was in love with someone when I was 16, going on 17. That really innocent first brush with love, and you think, oh, ab to bas isi se main shaadi karungi, and then this is how it's going to be. But then obviously you grow up and become wiser. My dad bought me like a Sony Ericsson flip phone. I wish I still had that. I don't know where it went. It must be in my Delhi house somewhere. I bought a Hyundai i10, and it's still within the family because it's my lucky car, and I bought it out of my Oi Lucky fee, and of course I took some money from my dad. I was like, Papa, paise de do. I've pampered myself since I was a kid. I used to wear like face masks and roam around and get people to put oil in my hair and give me a little massage. I was much more of a prima donna when I was a kid. Now I'm sort of very relaxed and chill. So guys, this was me, and Pinkvilla made me go down memory lane because I said so many things that even I didn't remember, and it was quite sweet. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and hit the link below.